In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix product not showing on Shopify. If a product you've added isn't appearing on your storefront, the fix is usually quick once you know exactly where to look. We'll walk through checking the product's status, confirming it's published to the right place, and what to do if it still doesn't show up. Start by opening the Shopify website and signing in to your admin. From your dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and click Products. This is where you can view your full catalog. If you have a long list, use the search bar at the top to find the product by name so you're sure you're editing the right one. Open the product and look for its status. You want the status to be set to active. If it's set to draft or archived, it won't appear on your online store. Switch it to active, then make sure you click Save. Saving is important. If you navigate away without saving, your changes won't take effect and the product will remain hidden. If it's already active and you still don't see it on your storefront, check where the product is published. On the product page, find the sales channels and apps area. Look for the three dots menu and click it, then choose Manage Sales Channels. Here, confirm that the online store channel is turned on for this product. If the online store is off, the product won't appear on your website even if it's active. Turn it on, then click. Save again to lock in the change. After saving, give it a moment and then refresh your storefront page to check. Sometimes there's a short delay before updates appear live. If you're previewing your store, try using the product's direct link from the product page to verify that it's now visible. If the product is active, the online store channel is enabled, and it still isn't showing, it's time to contact Shopify customer support to raise your concern. From your admin, open the Help option and start a support request. To speed things up, include the product title, the link to the product from your admin, a brief description of the issue, and the steps you've already taken, such as setting the status to active and enabling the online store channel. This context helps support pinpoint the cause more quickly. That's it. Open Shopify, check the product's status, confirm publishing to the online store, save your changes, and reach out to support if needed. With these steps, most visibility issues are resolved fast.